And hard at work in the kitchen is our little mini helper. Hi! You gonna bake a cake? What you gonna make there? Yeah, she's doing her chores. There we go. Yep, double checking, make sure she's... Yeah,
Okay.
Okay, yeah, 2 of them, please. Yep. Okay. Sounds good. Yep. Just shake that a little bit. Yep, get the dog involved. Crazy dog. Oh, who's taunting who? Are you picking on the dog? Oh. Okay. I think Cooney got in a lick. Okay, that's it for now.